If you've been looking for a late model diesel sports cruiser and you want it now, then I've got a tip for you. This is the one. The Jeanneau Leader 33 is a sporty, contemporary package that offers plenty of space to entertain. Let me show you. Extremely well optioned. You'll love the huge cockpit sunroof, the lay flat seating, the co-pilot seat, the table that converts to a huge sunbed, and of course, this is all adjacent to the wet bar. Powered by twin Volvo Penta diesels, this boat offers great fuel economy, but has loads of sizzle when you want to get up and go. On top of that, there's even a generator and air conditioning for those hot summer nights at anchor. This Jeanneau Sports Cruiser is the perfect family package and it's available now. In fact, it can be yours for the next holidays. Arrange your viewing by giving me a call today.